On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple, and the best part is that I'm going to show you a cheap traffic source that you can use to make up to $4,000 per week as a complete beginner. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a Clickbank account. If you want, you can create an account on Digistore24. You can create an account on Max Bounty. You can create an account on Warrior Plus. Any of the affiliate networks that you want, you can create an account. In this case, we are using Clickbank. So once you create your Clickbank account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on the Marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. There are a lot of different categories on Clickbank that you can click on and then find a digital product to promote. When you click right here, you can see many categories of digital products that you can promote on Clickbank. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what you are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a product under e-business and e-marketing. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can see sort results by. You are going to click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select gravity, high to low. Click on it. Once you click on it, the products has now been sorted by the gravity score. You can see the first one is live chat jobs. This is the gravity score, and you can see right here, this is the commission rate. This is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then check the products, the one that you want. You can promote it. If you want to promote products with higher commission rate, you can do that. If you want to promote those with high gravity, you can equally do that. It depends on your choice. Whatever factors that you want to consider before promoting the product, you can do that. In this case, I'm going to consider the commission rate. You can see as I scroll down, this product, the commission rate is higher than the rest. The commission rate is $137.58 per every sale that you get. So I'm going to be promoting this product right here. To promote the product, you have to click on the product. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the landing page. So your potential customers, they are required to take a quiz before they can decide to buy the product. You can see it. So once you have gotten to know the landing page of the product, the next step is that you are going to check if the product owner has affiliate resources that you can use to promote the product. So you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to click on affiliate page so that you can check if there are resources that you can use to promote the product. Once you click on it, you can see this is the affiliate support page. You can see right there, they have a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product. If you want short ads, you can click on it and then get resources that you can use to promote the product. If you want videos, you are going to click right here and you can see a whole lot of different materials that you can use to promote the product. One of the most important information that you can get on the affiliate support page is the demographics. You want to know the countries where the offer is getting a lot of sales. So just click on it so that you can find out. Once you click on it, you can see these are the demographics. Most of the people who buy the product are females, and you can see the ages is 35 and above. When you come right here, you can see the gadgets. Most of the people who bought the product are using tablets. The second group of people who bought the product is those who are using desktop, and you can see mobile is third. If you scroll down, you can see these are the countries where the offer is getting a lot of sales. You can see the first one is United States, Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, Croatia, Italy. So these are the countries where the offer is getting a lot of sales. So now once you have gotten more information about the product and the resources that you can use to promote it, the next step is that we have to get our affiliate link so that we can begin promoting it. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Clickbank. Once you come back, you are going to click right here, promote, so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you are going to click on create hyperlink. Once you click on create hyperlink, you can see this is your unique affiliate link. So anytime you get people to buy the product through this link, you are going to be earning a commission. Once you have gotten your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to find a traffic source where you can get people to click on this link and then purchase the product for you to earn a commission. The next step is that you are going to come on Google and then search for ad supply. Once you search for it, you can see the website. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the website. On this website, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to buy traffic. And the best part is that the traffic on this website is very cheap. You can target any country that you want. It's very simple. To use the platform, what you have to do is that you have to create an advertiser's account. You have to click on it, advertiser. Once you click on it, you can sign up for a free account. So just click on advertiser. Once you click on it, you can click right here, sign up, so that you can sign up for a free account. It is very easy, so just click on sign up so that you can create your free account. Once you create an account and log in, you're going to see a page like this. So the first step is that you have to create a campaign. To create a campaign, you're going to click right here, create new campaign. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The first step is that you are going to type the name of your campaign right here. So just type any name that you want. In this case, we are going to type writing jobs, something like this, writing jobs. Once you type the name of your campaign, you are going to scroll down. You can see start date. You are going to select the date that you want your ad to run. In this case, we are going to leave it with the default date. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here next. Click on it. Once you click on next, you are going to enter your budget. You can see they have hourly budget, daily budget, monthly budget, lifetime budget. So any of them that you want, you can set it. In this case, I'm going to set the daily budget. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to enter the amount that you want to spend per day on your ad. In this case, I'm going to spend $10 per day. Once that is done, the monthly budget, you can also click on it and then enter an amount. In this case, I'm going to be spending $100. Just enter the figures because you can change them at any time. Just enter any amount that you want. If the ad is not getting you the desired results, you can log in and then pause it. So any figure that you want, just enter it right here. Once you enter the budget, the next step is that you are going to click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you are going to see a page like this. So click right here, create new placement. Once you click on create new placement, you are going to select your pricing model. If you want CPC, that is cost per click, you are going to select that. If you want CPM, cost per mail, you are going to select that. The CPC is the cost per click. That is the amount that you are going to pay per every click that you get. The CPM is the amount that you are going to pay per every 1,000 visitors. In this case, I'm going to use CPC. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see ad type. Click on it so that you can select it. Once you click on ad type, you can select any of these ad formats. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to select web push. Once that is done, you can see include push page. Click on yes. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to click right here next. Once you click on next, you can see right here geographic targeting. You are going to select the specific countries that you are targeting. In this case, we are targeting multiple countries, so you are going to select multiple countries right here. Once you select it, you are going to enter the countries that you are targeting right here. When you come back on the affiliate support page, you can see these are the countries where the offer is getting a lot of sales. So you are going to select all these countries. So just come back. Once you come back, you are going to search for United States. So search for United States. You can see it right. Just select it. Once that is done, you are going to search for United Kingdom. You can see it right here. Select it. Once that is done, you are going to search for Australia. You can see it right here. Select it. You're also going to search for Canada. You can see it. Just select it. Once that is done, you're going to search for Croatia. You can see it right here. Once that is done, search for Italy. You can see it. Italy. Just select that. Once you have selected the countries, the next step is that you're going to scroll down. You can see network targeting, ad supply verified, traffic marketplace. Just leave it like that. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see behavior targeting. If you want to target a specific behavior, you can select that. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can search for any behavior that you want, but in this case we are not going to do that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see channel targeting. If you want to target any channel, you can select that, but in this case we are not going to do that. Once that is done, you can see IP address. If you want to block any IP address, you can block it right here. If you want to include any IP address, you can also paste it right here. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see right here the devices. If you don't want to target people who are using any of these devices, you are going to deselect it. But in this case, we are targeting all devices, so just select it. When you come back on the affiliate support page, you can see these are the devices that the people are using. So you are going to check all of them. Once that is done, you can see operating systems. Just leave everything. Browsers, just leave everything. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. If you don't want people to see your ad on specific days of the week, you can select that. On specific time of the day, you can select that. You can see the different time. If you don't want your ad to be shown on Monday 10 o'clock AM, you can deselect it. If you want it to be shown, you are going to select it. In this case, we are not going to customize the time, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. you can see create a new media rotation. You can click right here, create, so that you can create a media rotation. Since we don't have any media, the next step is that we are going to create a new one. So click right here, create new media. Once you click on create new media, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you're going to give a name. Just give any name that you want. So in this case, I'm going to type writing jobs. Once that is done, you're going to upload an image of the offer. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on the affiliate support page. Once you come back, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, product images, so that you can download images of the offer. Once you click on that, you can see these are the images of the offer that you can use. You can see these are the product images. So any of them that you want, you can download it and then use it. You can see a whole lot of different images of the offer. In this case, I'm going to use this one right here. So just click on download image. Once you click on download image, you can see this is the image. Right click on the image. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save images. Once you click on it, you are going to click on save. You can see the image is saving right here. Once you save the image, you are going to click right here, select file, so that you can upload the image of the offer. Once you click on it, you are going to select your image, click on open. As you can see, that image is not supported. So what you have to do is that you have to select a different image. There are a lot of different images that you can select. So just come back and then select any of the images that you want. You can see there are a lot of them. So let's try this image right here. Just click on it. As you can see, it is downloading. So it is going to be downloaded. Once you download the images, you can see it is in a zip file. So just click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to open like this. Click on the mockup. Once you open it, you are going to select the small image. You can see select the small site. Once you select it, you are going to right click on it and then click right here, copy. Once you copy it, you can paste it on any folder that you want so that you can find it. So now once you have selected your image, the next step is that you are going to click right here, select file. Once you click on it, select the image that you saved and then click on open. You can see it is uploading. You can see this is the image. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. You can see click through URL. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on Clickbank and then click right here, copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your affiliate link, you can see add headline, and you can see add headline text, and you can see brand name. So you are going to enter all those informations. Now what you have to do is that you have to come back on the affiliate support page. Once you come back on the affiliate support page, you are going to click right here, short as. Once you click on it, you can see this is an ad headline that you can use. If you want many of them, you are going to click right here so that you can open them. You can see this is another ad title that you can use. There are many of them. If you scroll, you can see the third one. You can see many of them. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to highlight and copy this one right here. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it here as your ad headline. Once that is done, you are going to copy a little bit of this text. So let's just copy from here, highlight and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. If you want, you can add more text. Once that is done, you can see brand name. Any name that you want, you can paste it right here. So let's type something like writing jobs, something like this. Once that is done, you can see call to action. If you want to enter a call to action, you can click on yes. Once you click on yes, you are going to type your call to action right here. So you are going to type something like click here to learn more, something like this. This is the call to action that you want. Once you enter your call to action, you are going to scroll down. You can see internet ad type. We have selected the web push. If you want, you can add more. Let's add the in-feed. Once you have entered the details, you are going to click right here, test. If you want to test by standard, you can click right here. If you want to test in-page push, you can select it right here. In this case, I'm going to select in-page push, so just click on it. Once you click on it, this is how your ad is going to appear to the viewers. You can see this is your ad. You can see it right here. So when your viewers click right here, click here to learn more, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link. So this is how your ad is going to appear to the viewers. Now once you have previewed the ad, the next step is that you are going to click right here, next. Once you click on next, you can see right here, create and use media. Click on it. Once you click on it, the media has been created. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, if you want to set a capping on the amount of money that you are going to spend per minute, you can select that. Per hour, you can select that. Daily, you can select that. Monthly, you can select that. Lifetime, you can select that. The amount of impression that you want to get per minute, per hour, per daily, per monthly, lifetime, you can select that. But in this case, we are not going to select it, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. You can see CPC, the cost per click, what we want to do is that you have to enter your own cost per click right here. So just enter in amount that you want. In this case, I'm going to enter something like 0.09, something like this, 0.090, something like this. So this is my cost per click, and you can see it is very low. Your ad is going to be saved to 159 different sites. You can see 159 visible sites. So your ad is going to be shown on 159 different websites. So you are going to be getting a lot of traffic to your affiliate link. Now once that is done, you are going to scroll down. If you want to customize any of them, you can do that, but we don't want to customize it, so just leave it like this and then click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. You can see everything about your ad. You can see everything about your ad. So if there is something that you want to correct, you can make the correction, but in this case there's no correction. You can see this is the cost per click and it's the same thing as I have entered, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, create placement, so that your ad can be created. Once you click on create placement, your ad has been created. You can see it right here, it is active. But before your ad run, what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your accounts. It is already active. The only thing that is needed is money in your account, so you have to deposit money into your accounts so that your ad can begin running on this website. To deposit money into your accounts, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, accounting. Once you click on it, you are going to click right here, add funds. Once you click on it, you can see these are the methods of payment that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. You can see Visa, Discover, MasterCard, Discover Card, American Express. You can see this option right here. Any of these methods that you want, you can select it and then deposit money into your accounts. So make sure you deposit money into your accounts so that you can be using this website to buy cheap traffic to your affiliate link. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.